With flour, brown sugar, white sugar, butter, 1 egg, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and of course chocolate chips. You're going to mix in a large bowl your dry ingredients. Then you will grab your butter and your egg and whisk those together. Once those are mixed, you are going to combine your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. Stir until evenly combined. Then you'll take your desired amount of chocolate chips and toss those into your dough. Once the chips are incorporated evenly, you're going to grab about a tablespoon and roll it into a ball. These cookies will be placed around 2 inches apart. As you can see, I have 12 cookies here, which is about half of the batter, and I'm going to freeze the rest, and it can last up to 3 months in the freezer. Then you're going to toss them into the oven at 375 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes, or until golden brown. While baking, the heat allows for the sucrose, aka the sugar, to break down. It breaks down to glucose and fructose. A polymer chain is caused by this, which is what gives the cookie that light brown and shiny crust. When the sodium bicarbonate, which is the baking soda, takes in the heat, this chemical reaction occurs. The carbon dioxide from the reaction can be seen from the bubbles in the cookies. The salt in the dough decreases the size of the bubbles and slows down the production of the carbon dioxide. The fat, which is the butter in this case, controls the formation of gluten, which comes from the flour. An emulsifier is a substance that stabilizes an emulsion, in particular a food additive used to stabilize processed foods. In this recipe, the emulsifier is from the egg yolk, which holds the dough together. Albumin is a class of water-soluble proteins found in egg whites. The albumin from the egg whites in this dough supports the bubbles.